Hi and welcome to this video on arithmetic series and finding the nth term. So an arithmetic series is a series like this: 4, 10, 16, 22, 28, and an arithmetic series always has a common difference between each of the numbers. So the difference is always the same. So here it's 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. So the common difference is plus 6. This is the number of the term, so this is the first term, the second term, the third term, and usually it's labeled like a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3. So this is the number of the term, first, second, third, fourth. This is the terms, 4, 10, 16, 22 of the series, and this is the common difference between the numbers in the series. If you're asked to find the formula to get the nth term is always the common difference. Okay, so that in this case is 6 multiplied by n for the nth term, so it'll always be the common difference multiplied by n, and then plus the 0 term. So the 0 term is if we go backwards in the series by minus 6. So here we're going plus 6, we go back minus 6, we get minus 2. So the minus term in this would be minus 2 in this series. So the formula for this series would be 6n, 6 being the common difference, n minus 2. Now look how this formula looks a bit like y equals mx plus c for a straight line. So if we had a straight line, 6 would be the slope of the line. So that's the common difference. The slope meaning it goes up in increments of 6, and minus 2 is where it crosses the y-axis where x is 0. So this is the 0 term. Another way of finding the formula, because we've got this plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, it's going up in multiples of 6. So write down the 6 times table: 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And then write the series, the arithmetic series underneath that: 4, 10, 16, 22, 28. And then the formula will be again the common difference multiplied by n, so 6n, and then the difference between the top column and the bottom column. So the difference between those two numbers, the difference between 30 and 28 is minus 2. So the formula becomes 6n minus 2. Okay, this is the standard formula for finding the nth term of an arithmetic series or an arithmetic sequence. So again, an arithmetic sequence has a common difference. So for this series, it's plus 5, going from 4 to 9, plus 5, from 9 to 14, plus 5. Here we have what number in the series it is. So this would be the first in the series, second, third, fourth. So A1 is the first number in the series, being 4. So if we write A1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, and equals, so the first number in the series is 4. The second number again is 4, which is the first number in the series, A1, this. So 4, and then plus the common difference, which is 5. So 4 plus 5. The third number in the series, A sub 3, would be the first, A sub 1, plus the difference, and plus another difference. So this would be 5 plus 5, which we can write as 5 multiplied by 2. Then similarly, A sub 4, the fourth number in the series would be the first number, A sub 1, plus the common difference, plus the common difference, plus the common difference, which would be 5 times 3. Now if we look at this, we see a pattern. So A sub n, the nth number in the series, would be the first number in the series, which is 4 for this series, the first number a sub 1, plus the common difference, which is 5, which is this d, multiplied by this n minus 1. So for this it was 4 minus 1 is 3. So our formula, our standard formula, is the nth term is the first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. So for this series, if we wanted the sixth number, so this is a sub 5, the fifth number, if we wanted the sixth number, a sub 6 is 4, which is the first number in the series, plus 6 minus 1, which is n minus 1, multiplied by the common difference, 5, and that is 29. Okay, common questions we can be asked. Find the seventh term when a sub 1, the first term, is 4x, and the common difference is minus x. Here's our formula. So the nth term is the first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. When we plug in our values, a sub 7, the seventh term, equals 4x, the first term, plus the common difference, n minus 1. When we put in our n minus 1 is 7, the seventh term, so n is 7 minus 1 here in the brackets. When we put d as minus x, we get a7 equals 4x plus d minus x, 7 minus 1. Multiply out the bracket, we get minus x times 7 is minus 7x, minus x multiplied by minus 1 plus x. So a sub 7 equals 4x, the first term, plus minus 7x plus x. 4x plus x, 5x, minus 7x, minus 2x. So a sub 7, the seventh term, equals minus 2x. Okay, we're given a series, 6, 10, 14, which goes up to 38, finishes at 38. And we have to find the number of terms in this series. So the first number, a sub 1, is 6. D, the common difference we can work out from 6 to 10 is 4, from 10 to 14 is 4, so it's an arithmetic series. The common difference is plus 4. And this number right at the end, a sub n, is 38. Okay, this is our formula. Plug in our numbers. A sub n is 38 equals 6, the first in the series here, plus 4, which is our common difference, n minus 1. When we multiply out these brackets, we get 4n minus 4. 4 times n is 4n. 4 times minus 1 minus 4. So 38 equals 6 plus 4n minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 38 minus 2 is 36. 36 equals 4n. So therefore n equals 36 divided by 4, which is 9. N equals 9. So the number of terms in the series, 9. Here we're asked to find the first term and the common difference when a sub 8, the 8th term, is 25, and a sub 14, the 14th term, is 43. So what we do here is we imagine this as our series. So we have 25 here as our 8th term and 43 as our 14th term. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, sorry, 8 is our 8th term, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so this is our 14th term, this is our 8th term. Make this our 8th term as our first term, make this the 7th term in the series if this was the first. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as 43, and then plug that into our equation. So this a7 is 43. Our first term now we made is 25 plus 7 minus 1 and the common difference d, which we want to find out. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So 43 minus 25 is 18 equals 6d. And our d, the common difference, is 3, plus 3. Now plug this d into our equation using here a sub 8 equals 25, and d that we've just found is 3. We get 25 is our first term plus 8 minus 1 and our common difference. So put that common difference in there. We get 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 times our common difference d is 21. So 25 equals the first term plus 21. So 25 minus 21 when we take it to the other side is 4. 4 equals our first term, a sub 1. So a sub 1 is 4, common difference is 3.